I'm going to go ahead and introduce our next performance for the afternoon. Demsa is a folk dance from southern Odisha. It is performed in groups by dancers who form a chain by holding each other by the shoulder and waist and dancing to the rhythm of traditional instruments. Jhumar is yet another vibrant folk dance from Odisha. It is traditionally performed to celebrate festivities like the harvest season or weddings. Both of our performances today are from the OSA Georgia group. Choreographed by Swagatika Adhikari and Bipika Panda. Please join us in welcoming our group.
चैता परब बड़ बेट मजा ये परा सरदा नाई ये टोकी राती संगे पिला मादा देखा ढेमुसा करिबा पाई ये मजा दगाले Dia moira dadare toki rati ke naach nachaibi dia moira dadare toki rati ke naach nachaibi e toy to parab ki tumhari mari dane thai dia hebi e toy to parab mari dane thai dia hebi dia moira dadare toki rati ke naach nachaibi dia moira dadare toki rati ke naach nachaibi Domali selimai mola pite harai nebi kinitai nebi deka joito poro bogite eturu bali joito poro bogite kiya jara pili dhadi babo bobya gali kota padi ka domali bobya gali kota padi tui na ki beli ke tai bi dia moira dadare toki rati ke naach nachaibi dia moira dadare